It's a year of change for the National Assembly for Wales. In March, a referendum on further powers returned a resounding yes from voters. Those that supported the Yes campaign stated that Wales now had the tools it needed to develop. And a new report from the National Assembly for Wales examines not only how those tools can be used, but how to ensure they are used properly. It's led to changes in the Assembly's standing orders, the rules by which Assembly business is managed.
We are now in our second decade of devolution in Wales, and the recent result of the referendum, which said yes to wider legislative powers for the Assembly, is a vote of confidence in the Assembly as a legislature, in our scrutiny processes, and in our role of speaking for the people of Wales. However, as we near the beginning of the fourth Assembly, we need to ensure that the Assembly's procedures continue to work effectively to serve the people of Wales. We have a duty to ensure that our ways of working continue to be innovative, effective and accessible. Our recommendation to remake our standing orders, therefore, encompasses both minor and significant changes which will allow the Assembly, as a relatively small legislature, the flexibility to adapt the conduct of its business to any given circumstance. The majority of the changes reflect the established practice and conventions of the Third Assembly. In other places, we have sought to enable the Assembly to do more, removing unnecessary restrictions and strengthening our scrutiny processes with new provisions to enable better scrutiny of Assembly laws, United Kingdom bills or European legislation which impacts on Wales. We've also sought to create more opportunities for individual members to initiate and influence business, an opportunity which I hope that both returning and new members will seek to take up in the fourth Assembly.
Giving individual members more opportunities to raise matters for debate in the Assembly will make it more responsive to the needs of the people of Wales. This should increase the access the public already has to the Assembly. As well as contacting AMs directly, there are also other ways people can get involved with what is happening at the Senedd. One is to contribute suggestions and evidence to the inquiries carried out by Assembly committees. Another is via the Assembly's petitions system. All petitions deemed appropriate and within the powers devolved to the Assembly are considered by a committee. In the Third Assembly, more than 200 petitions were considered, covering issues as diverse as reducing plastic bag use, cycle paths, support for vulnerable young people, and protecting an historic pub. More information on the National Assembly's petition system, including a video explaining how you can start a petition online, is available on our website www.assemblywales.org.